Friends, myself Mayur Mahajan from Tulsiram Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, Civil Engineering 5th sem 3rd year student. So today I will solve this numerical of welded connection. Two plates of 10 mm and 12 mm thickness are to be joined using the fillet weld. Suggest the suitable for size of weld and length of end return. So given data, thickness 1 is equal to 10 mm and thickness 2 is equal to 12 mm. Get the minimum size of the weld of plate is 5 mm as per the table 21 as per IS code page number 78, and the minimum thickness is 1.5 per square weld. So T minimum is equal to T1 minus 1.5. So put the values. T1 is 10 minus 1.5. So T minimum is equal to 8.5 mm. Again, the second step is the S max. The S max is equal to 3 by 4 into minimum thickness. Put the values. 3 by 4 into minimum thickness is 10 mm. The S max is equal to 7.5 mm. And the third is the S is equal to S max plus T minimum plus S minimum divided by 3. Then put the value in S is equal to S max 7.5 plus T minimum is 8.5 plus S minimum is 5 divided by 3. So S is equal to 7 mm. And the third is the length of 8 meters, which is equal to 2 into S. We put the values. 2 into S is 7 mm. So equal to 14 mm. The diagram. Thickness 1 is equal to 10 mm. Thickness 2 is equal to 12 mm. And square weld is equal to 14 mm. Yes. 7 mm. Thank you.